that interchange, those of you who have joined us in coming to supervise this road, see that the contractor has done very, very well. Very, very well. Last time we came, you can see that they've now started asphalting this area. And they made promise that by the next time we come back, that will be a different thing. Today we're here, you can see the day is different. Which means before the end of the month, everything will be concluded. I'm happy to identify with the leadership of Mr. President. That is what Nigeria needs. Mr. President has given first-class infrastructure to Abuja. All of you can attest to the fact that indeed Abuja has really changed. And so we're happy for it. I want to thank God government for providing the right leadership through Mr. President to provide the dividend of democracy to the residents of Abuja. I don't see why anybody will say Mr. President has not done well, except he has just lied, except you don't want to admit something that you know that is good. We're happy that we're fulfilling promises that were made.
Okay, Your Excellency, sir, can we have the list of some of the projects that they are likely to be commissioned?
Well, I think that by next week we'll be able to provide all the projects that will be inaugurated during Mr. President's second year anniversary. But this is one of them. Aspects to Wasa Junction is also one of them. The Transit Conference Center is another one. So many roads. The N5 is another one. So we have so many roads, so many. Both rural, central towns, and the even the Abuja Greater Water will also be inaugurated. So we have a number of projects. It will take us about 2 weeks. 2 weeks to inaugurate most of our projects.
Okay, Excellency, sir, what other cheering news do you have to get for the result of the FCT coming in years to come? Because we can see how they are cheering you, happy with what we are saying.
We have countless of so many things that will make them to be happy. So many projects are coming up. We are going to provide satellite water for the, water for satellite towns in Buhari, towns, Kubwa. People will be happy. More roads will be going on in the city. More renovations of schools will be going on in the city. Particularly, security will be improved. I mean, that's what we owe to the people of Abuja.
Pause.
It's almost getting the crush rock base is almost being done. By next week,
Thank you very much, Excellency. Come to visit 062 again. As you see, we already finished the building course till the ending point of the project. The project remaining only few for shoulder and drainage and keeps. This is small works. We will finish very soon. Thank you very much for your support for the project.
I'm very impressed. Don't worry.
Thank you.
You keep to your west. Before the end of the month, we will finish marking.
Yes, marking maybe 2 or 3 days we will finish all the marking.
No, allow me here. Stop yourself.